Well, Samsung says that the Galaxy S7 is waterproof for 30 minutes up to 5 feet. And since I am above ground, I guess I'm gonna risk it and see what this looks like. I'm walking across the compound here at the Kiahuna Plantation. The rain's been coming down all night last night. For a while today, we're predicted to have 1.5 inches. Seems like we have that, at least. This bridge that I'm walking up to right here usually goes over grass. And this is a lawn down here. But right now, it is a lake. You can see water coming down the sidewalk. It's not raining very hard right now, actually, considering how hard it's been raining most of the time. Coming down steady, but I can hear myself over the sound of the rain, so not too bad. Don't really have anything to do today. I mean, I guess I could go walk on the beach in the rain, but this seems just as good. I am not entirely positive, but I do believe that this is not normally underwater. I think this is a grass path. I'm getting pretty wet now. Can't see exactly what I'm looking at with the phone, but anyway, don't mind this once in a while. I'm glad it doesn't do this all the time when I'm here, but it is an experience.